Hello everyone, how are you all? Today I'm here with a new video series and the title of today's video is Word Meaning with Synonyms and Antonyms. Let's get started. Abandon, পরিত্যাগ করা. Synonyms: discard, drop, leave, resign, quit, forsake, desert, dump, throw out, reject, refuse, repudiate, vacate, evacuate, ditch. Antonyms: accept, keep, adventure, virtue, caring. Accurate, সঠিক. Synonyms: exact, precise, right, correct, true, factual, authentic, minute, actual, corporeal, genuine, real, appropriate, bona fide, suitable, tangible, verifiable. Antonyms: inaccurate, wrong, incorrect, inexact, approximate, unreal, virtual. Alarming, ভীতিকর. Synonyms: menacing, frightening, terrifying, horrifying, threatening, startling, scary, daunting. Antonyms: reassuring, shooting. Abandoned, পরিত্যক্ত. Synonyms: unprincipled, deserted, derelict, discarded, neglected, corrupt, forsaken, immoral, dumped, shameless, deserted. Okay, I used the same synonym earlier. By the way, antonyms: adventure, virtue, caring. Abnormal, অস্বাভাবিক. Synonyms: irregular, unusual, atypical, sporadic, peculiar, scattered, strange. Exceptional, anomalous. Antonyms: normal, rational, abash, মানহানি করা. Synonyms: humiliate, confound, degrade, dishonors, belittle, disgrace, demean, subjugate, lower. Antonyms: honor, elevate, uplift, praise. Abstain, বিরত থাকা. Synonyms: refrain, avoid, hold back, desist, withdraw, cease, shun, withhold, forego, resist. Antonyms: pursue, assist, indulge in. Abbreviate, সংক্ষিপ্ত করা. Synonym: abridge, cut short, Antonyms: amplify and extend. Abet, ক্ষীণ করা বা হ্রাস করা. Synonyms: decrease, lessen, decline, diminish, subside, fade away. Antonyms: increase, enlarge, augment, expand. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and you are welcomed for the next one. Please share the video with your friends if you really like it, and do subscribe. Tada!